business building can be complex because there are pieces. It's like we're building Lego. Alam po ninyo, right? We add piece here, add piece here, add piece here. Some students, when we're in the program, they're so eager and they're excited, thinking they just want to know everything now. And then thinking that is the way to do it. Well, no, because complexity is the enemy of execution. Ulitin ko po. Complexity is the enemy of execution. So if you're gonna go through all the materials and you are brand new in this kind of business, it will appear complex po sa paningin ninyo. Ano po sa tingin ninyo ang mangyayari if you get overwhelmed with information? That is right. Confusion, analysis, paralysis, matuturite, maguguluhan, nalilito, confused, no focus. Exactly. In other words, people who are confused, people who are overwhelmed, people who are no focus, they won't take action. So, my friend, here's what I'm trying to say. If you've been into a seminar before, if you've been into a webinar before, coaching program, or anything in any way that you didn't take action, one of the main reasons of that is you got overwhelmed. Because again, we're talking about building a business here. We are building your future here. We are talking about business building that will change your life forever. So this is not simply, may attend lang ako ng weekly training. No. This is more than that. I know what you've been going through right now. And again, I'm assuming most of you haven't made any money yet. I know the challenges that you have a full-time job, Sir John. I have kailangan isingit ko po to. I'm raising little kids. I know. I'm telling you, I know. I've coached a lot of people just like you, and I understand it. So here's what I'd like you to do. Number one, forget anything that you know about online business. Forget it. Okay? For now, palimutan mo muna yung mga misconception mo about entrepreneurship, about online business, about making money. Because as you go through the training, hindi lamang po tuturuan ko kayo na, okay, how to do this exactly. No, we will also break all this like money beliefs ninyo, mga poverty mindset ninyo, and all those things. Because in as much as gusto ko mang ituro sa inyo lahat ng how to na alam ko. Okay? But if it's like, imagine po ninyo, nagdadrive kayo o meron kayo nakasakay kayo sa sakyan, nakastart yung engine. Yung left foot mo nakaapak sa brake. Yung right foot mo nakaapak sa gas. Kahit na anong ituro ko sa inyo apak sa gas, kung yung left foot mo nakaapak sa brake, wala po kayong progress. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.